At Overcome the Barrier, we offer not only individualized lessons with teachers who are native speakers, but also a set of tools to help you improve your language skills through self-development activities generated automatically through our learning platform. But what is the learning platform? It's where all of the content from your lessons with us will be stored, which you can access at any time. It also allows you to visualize in real time how your progress and performance has been through your learning process. And finally, it is where you will be able to complete the self-development activities that are generated automatically and are completely tailored and focused on you and your needs. Accessing your platform is very easy. After each lesson, you will receive an email with a link that will redirect you to the web page, where you can log in using your email address and password. Once logged in, you will be able to look at your main metrics like your current error percentage, the percentage of both complete and incomplete vocabulary homework, as well as the lesson review percentage. You will also be able to see a complete list of the lessons you have taken so far, and by clicking on View Lesson, you will see the content from each one. Remember the new words that were added every lesson? In the vocabulary section, you will be able to put them to good use. For every word added, you need to create a completely new sentence in the target language. In the lesson review section, you will have to make corrections to your own sentences just like they were made during your lesson by your teacher. If you don't remember what changes were made in any specific sentence, you can click on Get Hint and then proceed to make the necessary modifications to your speech. Lastly, we're left with the fill-in-the-blank activity. Here you will see corrected sentences from your conversation with your teacher, and you will have to pick the correct answer from a list of words in order to fill in the blank. Once you have selected the word, just click Submit. You will be able to see your progress in the Progress section. Making use of the statistics provided by our platform, we generate performance graphs on a lesson-by-lesson basis. These graphs are made accessible to supervisors and learning and development managers at your company in order for them to be able to assess and measure progress both individually and collectively. All of these activities can also be completed through our smartphone application. By downloading the app, which is available on both iPhone and Android, you can keep up to date with your studying wherever you go. Don't fall behind and start taking advantage of all the tools available in order to learn a new language that we offer here at Overcome the Barrier.